In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use multiple Slack accounts at the same time, step by step, without logging in and out constantly. This is perfect if you manage different teams, work with multiple clients, or use Slack for both work and personal projects. By the end of this video, you'll be able to switch between multiple Slack workspaces easily from one place. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser and make sure you're logged into your main workspace. This is the workspace you normally use and where you'll start adding additional accounts. Once Slack is open, look at the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your workspace name and icon. This is the control center for managing your Slack workspaces. Next, click on the workspace name or icon in the top left corner. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your current workspace. From this menu, look for the option that says Add a Workspace. This is the key feature that allows Slack to handle multiple accounts in one app. Now, click on Add a Workspace. Slack will then show you a few options. You can choose to sign in to another existing workspace, create a brand new workspace, or join a workspace you've been invited to. If you already have another Slack account or workspace, you can simply sign in using the email associated with that workspace. If you want to create a new workspace instead, click on Create a new workspace. Slack will guide you through the setup process. You'll be asked to enter an email address for the new workspace. Make sure you use the correct email that you want this workspace tied to. After entering the email, click Continue and follow the on-screen instructions. This may include verifying your email, setting a workspace name, and choosing basic preferences. Once the setup is complete, Slack will automatically add this new workspace to your account. You'll now see multiple workspace icons stacked on the left side of your Slack window. Each icon represents a different workspace, and you can switch between them instantly with a single click. At this point, you officially have access to multiple Slack accounts at the same time. You can repeat this process to add even more workspaces if needed. Slack makes it easy to manage notifications, so you can customize alerts for each workspace to avoid getting overwhelmed. One helpful tip here is to rename or customize workspace icons so you can quickly recognize which workspace you're in. This is especially useful if you manage several teams or clients. You can also use Slack's keyboard shortcuts to switch between workspaces even faster. And that's it. You now know how to use multiple Slack accounts from one place without constantly logging in and out. This setup can save you a huge amount of time and make your workflow much smoother. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tutorials and software how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.